Hey guys, if you see a little fuzzy head here, it's because I got a little mess. She woke up. So she's watching Peppa Pig on silent. I'm going to sit here and film this video. We're going to mom multitask right now. I just want to get this done and filmed and be done, go make dinner, you know, mom life. Okay. There are some products that I honestly absolutely loved, but sometimes it's just the price. I have such a hard time justifying the price, and it's not that the product isn't worth it, or if I had all the money in the world, that I wouldn't buy it. I think partially where I've gone from working and kind of having my own spending money to being a one-income family because I left my business, I've had to just like kind of be real, you know, go to the budget and be like, okay, we can afford, we can't afford. She's kissing her teddy bear. It's quite adorable. Are you hugging Teddy with your bed head? She's so engrossed in Peppa Pig. She loves it. The first one is a product that I haven't had for a long time, but when I had it, I loved it. It made my makeup stay on so long. It was so awesome, and that is the Hourglass Mineral Veil. If you need an awesome primer that totally makes your makeup last all day, I love it. But the price of it was so much higher, and I just felt like with all the other makeup I was testing and things I could get for less expensive, I was just like, I have a really hard time spending this much money on it. So that's one that I probably won't repurchase. Okay, next is one that you guys can honestly see the difference of. And that is the Rodan & Fields Lash Boost. I love this product. I got 2 bottles of it, and my lashes looked... my lashes literally looked so amazing when I was using it. I can insert some footage. They are so long. Now, I'm still using a lash serum. This is the Grande Lash, and it still makes my lashes longer than what they are naturally, but it is nowhere in comparison to the Lash Boost. The problem is I can buy this for about 40 bucks with my cosmetology license, and that one was going to cost me $150 plus. Even though I feel like it's absolutely worth it, and if I had the budget, I would buy it. Right now, it's just like, don't got the budget. So I've had to say I passed the Lash Boost, but if I had the money, I totally would buy it because it makes your lashes freaking amazing. All right, next is Tarte mascaras. I've actually really liked this Tarte Tarteist mascara. I also really like the Lights Camera Lashes mascara, but I just have a hard time spending $20 on a mascara. I don't know what it is. It's just like when I can get Essence/Princess for $5 or $6, I just think, why spend the extra money? Like I could get like 3 tubes for the price of 1. So although I do really like that mascara, I probably wouldn't purchase it. Is he jumping in muddy puddles? Is that Daddy Pig? All right, this next one kind of hurts my heart a little bit because I really love this product. I bought this product when I think it was fairly new, and I made a video about it. I know, I dropped my phone. And I have repurchased it several times, but I'm just to the point now where I'm just not going to repurchase it. It's not that it's so terribly expensive, it's just that you don't get much. So this is the Bye Bye Redness. You get 0.37 ounces. And the problem is I find that when I use it, it's just really on the no makeup days. And I've mostly been wearing a full face, so I haven't been wearing it as much. My rosacea has been looking better. And this is what it turns into after a couple months. It just dries up to where it's like half of it is stuck on the side of the jar and just kind of like dried up and crusty. And so when you're not getting much and then it dries out, and when I'm really fair, this doesn't match. Now, they have come out with some new shades, and honestly, guys, I went to Ulta and swatched them and thought about buying them for a video. They didn't look that much different than this one. I was just like, which one is it? I can't tell. So even though they made other shades, I didn't really notice a big difference in them. Honestly, not enough to really make a difference, I guess. This is one where if I really want a no makeup look, I go for the IT Cosmetics CC cream. It is a little bit more coverage, but that's what I'm wearing today, and I feel like it gives me good coverage, but I still can put it on fairly light, and it has SPF 50. So I think I'm done with the Bye Bye Redness. The next one is Lipsense, and I made a video on this a year or so ago. I really like it. It lasted really well for me, and I've actually considered at times getting more shades or getting a red color. Some people love it, some people hate it. It's very polarizing, and I bought it to support a friend, and I do enjoy it. But every time I think about dropping $25 for a red lipstick, I just can't do it. You know, it's like I gotta buy my kids back to school shoes and backpacks, and I love the idea of like a foolproof red, but I feel like there's enough reds that I already have that I'm like, I don't see myself purchasing any more of these. All right, next is my Sedona lace brushes. I really like these brushes. I highly recommend them, especially if you can get them on like a Black Friday sale. They are good quality. This is my fan brush from AOA. Honestly, they do a pretty similar job. So when I can get this one for $1, I have a hard time getting this one. And this one is synthetic. I do believe that Sedona Lace carries all synthetic brushes, but the set that I have currently is not synthetic, but I bought it. I'm using it, you know. But I just feel like, I don't know that I'll purchase more of these brushes. I'm not working as a freelance makeup artist. I feel like I can get away with some of these more inexpensive brushes. So, I mean, if you are a freelance makeup artist, I do recommend these, or someone who wants a good quality brush. I recommended them to my own sister, so I do really like them, but I just don't know that I can spend the money. And last but not least is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Foreplay Shower Gel. Okay, could everyone and their dog love this? I mean, I had a bad reaction to the Boom Boom Cream. I already talked about that. I do not feel like I've had any reaction with this. I've enjoyed the scent. It's been fine. I like it. If someone asked me if I liked it, I'd say yes. But I'm still like, oh, don't use that. Oh, she got it open. But honestly, I'm just like, it's a body wash. I mean, $7 or less body wash prices here. So for me to spend extra on a body wash, I want it to be like super amazing. And honestly, it just didn't blow my socks off enough for me to justify spending a little bit more money on it. So those are all my products, and it's not to say that anyone else isn't going to be like, those are totally worth the money in my book, because they probably are. But for me, those are high-end items that I'm just going to say no to. So I've also thought about doing another video with Little Miss. I was thinking about doing like the 2-year-old picks my makeup thing, and I just give her some options, let her pick out what she picks, and then I'll use those products on my face. Tell me if you guys want to see that video. Thank you so much for joining me. Thanks for humoring me with my little 2-year-old here on my lap. She's almost 2. She'll be 2 in August, so pretty close to being 2. Can you believe it? It's been 2 years already since I've had her. Where's the time gone? I don't even know. All right, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!